In this video, I'm going to give you a good introduction and review of Deel Payroll. Deel is known for being one of the leading players in international payroll, whether it's contractors or it's EOR, and they really have some amazing solutions out there. And that's why in this video, I want to give you a good introduction so you understand better what options is out there and what is the right fit for you and what costs to expect. So with that being said, I think let's just get into it right here. So before I share my screen and show you all the options that they have, I just want to give you a quick intro to what Deel really is and what problem they are solving with their solutions. Deel is one of the fastest growing companies out there, and that's because they made it much easier to hire people abroad. So let's say if you have a company in the US and you want to hire someone in, let's say, Austria, well then they can help you with a lot of those things and you don't need to have an entity in Austria as an example. That's just one of many solutions they have. So this way they try to simplify it for people and companies all over the world that have international teams basically. And that's what they do so well and why I've also been using them for years. And that's why I think it's really interesting to show you some of the features in this video. So let's just get into it here. I'm gonna share my screen right now. All right, so now we're here at the homepage. And the first thing you also see here is that they emphasize on hire, manage, pay, anywhere, payroll, HR, IT, immigration, and many other things that they offer, and which is why it's such an interesting platform. The first thing I just want to show you here is, first of all, they work with many big companies. You can see here LinkedIn, Uber, Verizon, Coinbase, 11 Labs, Klarna, Canva, KLM, HM. So many companies are using Deel because it is an amazing system. And you can see here some of the options they have, like the global people platform. So there's the payroll that we're gonna focus on in this video. There's gonna be Deel HR, Deel IT, Deel benefits, Deel hire, Deel mobility. That's also one thing I've used myself because I got a visa through them. So that's also something they can help with if there's a person out there in another country and you want to help that person getting a work visa as an example. That's also things they do. So they do so many other things, but let's just jump to the payroll part. That's why we have this video here. That's what I want to talk with you about and show you. So if we go here to solutions, then we can choose the one here called Deel Payroll. And when we get here, then you can also see here, run payroll on one platform globally. Pay every worker type in every country. It's accurate, compliant payroll with unified visibility and the flexibility for self-serve or managed. But what I'm going to show you is actually the pricing. So if we go here, then they're also going to emphasize on that here. And then we have here hire employee of record. And also they have hire US PEO employees, hire contractors standard or contractor of record. The first thing I want to talk about, and I think really what is special about Deel, is the employee of record. So the way this works is that if you want to hire someone, again, let's use the example of Austria. So let's say you're based in the US, you have a company in the US, but you found the person you want to hire now, and that person lives in Austria. Or that could also be because you want to open your business in Austria, or it could be in England, it could be anywhere. But now let's just use this example with Austria. So what this solution basically offers is that they take care of all the payroll, everything that's related to that. And this way you don't need to open an entity in Austria. And that will save you thousands and thousands of dollars or euros. That can be a lot of expenses for opening a business in each country. You need the help with legal stuff or the accounting and so many other things. And that's where they can help you to hire someone on their behalf, basically. That's the way it's kind of put together. Before we continue with this video, can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and let's continue with this video. And here you can see some of the features that they have. So basically, with the standard one, you pay $599 for using their service, basically. There will be additional costs. I'm going to show that to you in a sec. But basically, that is the fee they take per month per employee. And then down here, you can see some of the features like fully legal employment in 110 countries, support for remote, on-site, field works. Like basically, it doesn't matter whether the person is in an office, working from home, or wherever it may be. There's no restrictions here. Automated onboarding, compliance, benefits, enrollment, managed payroll, tax filings, reporting, on-demand HR, and legal expertise, 24/7 support. So basically, you don't need really to pay for any other service than just the services Deel have. But again, it can also be kind of expensive. I'm going to show you now here with this example with Austria of how much it actually can end up costing. Also, just a quick note. So in the description, I have a link to Deel where you can get a lot of credit, up to $1,500 in credits. So use my link if you want to actually get some of that credit and start using Deel. I get some commission for it, but also you get the best possible deal. So try to check that out if you actually plan to check out how Deel works or actually think about hiring your first people using Deel. But this is the really interesting product that they have, I think, because again, that's where you really save a lot of money and where it can easily get a lot more complex. It could be a lot of complexity with this versus, for example, contractors is maybe something you can figure out yourself, or where you don't need to, it's not going to be as strict, because also the contractor have their own responsibilities, if that makes sense. So they also have the solution here that you see, hire US PEO employees. So this solution is maybe not the most important solution they have, but if you have a US entity and you have help with the HR, or make sure you're compliant and maybe reduce your risk if there's any problems with your employees, well, then this can be a solution. So it's kind of like, I was just say, expanded version of just running the payroll. So I'm not going to talk too much about this one. I don't think that's the most interesting product they have, but I just wanted to mention it quickly here. You can also see here, it says one place to run payroll, HR, compliance, federal, state, and local taxes handle for you, regulatory compliance handle for you, competitive benefit access, healthcare and more, support for complex employee lifecycle events. So it is kind of like, like kind of your body for hiring people that's going to assist you with a lot of those things. So the next service they have is hire contractors. So this can also be a great solution if you have some contractors and you just want an easy setup. Well, then they also offer that. So you can see here it says hire and pay global contractors compliantly. So it's centralized contractor management, compliant contracts, payments in 120 plus currencies, automated invoicing, tax form guidance, and document collection, multi-currency payments. So this can also be something that can be a good starting point. This is something I would say is not as unique. This is something that other companies also offer. But of course, this is convenient, it's $50. So if, again, let's say the person in Austria is just going to be a contractor and not an employee, well, then this could be the way to go, basically. And again, $50, it's almost nothing. So that can be a good solution also. Then they also have the contractor of record. You can see here, hire contractors with Deel as a legal entity. So this is starting from $325 per contractor per month. And then Deel acts as the legal contracting entity. Deel owns compliance and classifications, tax and labor law adherence, reduced misclassification risk, automated payments, and invoicing. I would maybe say this one is a little overkill when it's a contractor. Personally, that's just my personal opinion, but it depends on your needs or what you feel comfortable with. I think the two more interesting options here, again, that's personally what I think, is the EOR or just the international contractor. And the next thing I want to show you that I think is a really important thing is to see how much it actually costs to do the EOR, because again, that's the important thing here, I think, in Deel's system. So I just pulled up here the calculator and I can choose here estimate hiring. So then I say I want to do an EOR calculator and I say estimate cost for a single employee, determine employee cost across the globe. Now we're here, and then it's gonna say worker cost calculator. Find out how much it costs to bring new hire on board. So then here it says I want to hire in, and then now we can try to use the example as I said with Austria. So we have Austria here, and then here you can choose whether it's gross annual salary, net annual salary, total annual cost, and then also it's gonna ask for the currency. So I'm just gonna leave it in euros, it's almost the same as dollars. So I'm gonna put in 100,000 euros as an example. And then it's gonna ask what level of benefits would you like to provide? So then you can say the mandatory benefits only, like basically the minimum requirements. This is complying with local law, minimum required healthcare and benefits. And then also you can say customize a premium package that helps you attract and retain top talent. But we're just gonna do the mandatory one. And then we go down here and then estimate costs. And then now it's just gonna think for a second. And then here we have it lined up. So basically here you can see your estimated hiring cost in Austria is, and then it says based on full-time EOR hire at Austria with $100,000 annual gross salary. This estimate includes employer costs, take-home pay, and more. So let's have a look here. Basically, it says the estimated employment cost is 9,773 euros and 77 cents. And then the annual cost will be 117,285. And then also gross monthly salary, employee monthly take-home pay. So basically that's what the employee takes home. So now we're here at the cost estimate summary, and then you can choose monthly or annually. I'm just going to use annually just because now we were putting in the $100,000 euros annually. So I think it's a little easier just to see what additional costs they're going to be. So we have a total cost, annual employment breakdown is 132,000. So first we have the 100,000 euros, that is just for the salary basically. Then we have employer cost, then you can look here at the breakdown. So there's going to be a lot of things. So then you can see there's 26,340, that is employer cost. So that's different taxes and costs that you need to pay for having this employee. So you can see here, I'm not gonna go through the whole list, but there is some family burden thing, some taxes, surplus to fund above. And then the big one is the social insurance that you see there in the bottom. And that's basically an add-on in the extra cost you have. And then you have the deal fee, which is 6,125 euros. So that's basically like the $599, 12 times basically. And then you have some additional things. There is some social insurance thing again. And then down here, you can also add some extra things: pension, healthcare, life insurance, mental health. And then over here, you'll see the whole like overview of things. And then you can see, you know, it takes X amount of days for the requested contract quote. Deal prepares your contract, you review and sign. And then that is basically it. And then when you actually go through this whole process, you fill out all the information for the employee and different terms. And then afterwards, you will send the contract to the employee and then they sign, and then it's all in Deel system, basically. So that's pretty much how that works. And then I just want to show you how the costs are very different. So for example, this was Austria, and you see that the initial salary is 100,000 euros, but another 32,000 euros is being added just in different fees or taxes. But if we just go back, I just quickly want to show you. Then now I try again here to say estimate hiring, and then we take EOR again. We take one employee, and then we take, let's take India. You know, maybe you found like the dream developer, and you wanna hire that person now as an EOR, basically. So we just gotta put in here India, US dollars. Let's just say $25,000. And here you see the summary of the things. So I just chose, again, the annually. And then you see annual employment breakdown, 33,476. So all you have to pay here is basically the deal management fee. So percentage-wise, actually pretty high because the salary is low. But still, you see there's not really any other taxes you need to pay. There's an employer cost, $246. There's severance, that is $1,041. But basically, most of the money you pay in addition is going to be to use Deel's system. So it really depends. If you were going to pay, I think, $100,000 for a person in India, well, then maybe it would only be 110,000 and not 133,000 euros or whatever it was for the 100,000 euro salary, if that makes sense. So that is just to show it really depends on the country, how much you're going to pay. But of course, the fee to Deel is going to be the same in almost any case. So I also quickly just want to show you now with the international contractors. So same thing here. Estimate hiring, and then we take other worker types calculator. So then we just select worker type, and we just take independent contractor, and then we choose a country. Let's take Austria, and then we take in euros, and then we put in the gross annual salary. I mean, I don't know how often a contractor is 100,000 euros, but now let's just do this. And additional information, would you like to include Deel Premium, exclusive benefit? No, we just do the basic one. And then let's check how much that cost. So now it's showing the price as an international contractor. And then here you can see here with the small numbers that the total cost in euros is 100,541 euros. And then you can see in dollars is $117,270, but that's just because of the rate, the currency rate, like the difference. But basically all you pay here in fees is around $500 because it's just a contractor setup. So this is just to show you how different the cost can be, whether it's EOR in Austria or India, or if you just choose an international contractor, then the cost will be lower. But of course, that's also a very different setup. So this is basically how the Deel system works for hiring people. I think it's really an amazing system. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly the whole process with EOR, how to set it up and how you invite your new employee, and just like that whole process. So I also just quickly want to talk about who Deel is for. So Deel is not necessarily the cheapest system, and it's not the best option, I would say, if you're just hiring people domestically. So if you're based in the US and you just need to hire 2-3 employees, well, then maybe there's other systems. For example, Gusto, that is also a great option that is more focused on that. It's more affordable, so definitely a good setup for that type of business. But again, if you're a company that is growing fast, you're hiring people from all sorts of countries all over the world, well, then Deel is probably the best option out there. There's also companies such as Remote, but I think that Deel is still the one that is the most advanced, that have the most features, and really the setup I would use and have been using as someone who's hiring people from all over the world, basically. So I hope you like this video. Remember to check out the other videos where I talk more about how Deel works with its contractors and EOR. I'm gonna list them here in the comment section so you can check those out. So thank you so much for watching. Can you do me one big favor and hit the like and subscribe? That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.